Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. Those candidates who are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel, because if you subscribe the channel, the notification will automatically come, and day and every day we are doing the important session of your LRB, PBB and AFB subject. Okay, so please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. First of all, those candidates who are new in this session, this is the second English medium batch of your JAIIB of November exam 2022, and this November 2022 is the last session of old syllabus exam. Last session, yes, because from next year the LRB subject will be no more in your JAIIB syllabus. So this LRB subject is very easy. So if you want to crack your JAIIB exam, so this is the last opportunity in which you can easily crack your JAIIB with a good marks. Because if a candidate can score 89 marks in LRB, so why you people not score that much of marks? Suppose if you not got the good marks, plus 45 is there, but you need to require more marks to get the selection. So LRB is the only subject in which you can score more exam. Okay. So those candidates who are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. And if you want to enroll in this English medium batch, you have to use the code Y391 for the 78% discount. Okay, 78% discount if you use the code Y391. Okay, now let's start with the one legal word. Always in the bilingual and in the English medium session, we are doing a one legal word, and after that we are doing the question. Now if I talk about the word estoppel, so what is estoppel and where we use this word, the term estoppel? Okay, so let's cover this estoppel. Estoppel, you know, the exactly meaning of estoppel is whatever we have committed, we have to stick with our words. Stick with our words. This is called the term estoppel. Now the question is where this word we use. What I said, that whatever we have committed, whatever we have said, we have to stick with our words. That term is called estoppel. I'm just giving you the one example of the estoppel. Suppose X, Y, Z, these three are the partners in the partnership firm. Okay, these three are the partners in the partnership firm. A appointed a new partner in this partnership firm. Okay, A appointed new partner in this partnership firm. Now this partnership firm generally do business with the B person. Okay, now one day the X represented to B person, X represented that A is also our new partner, and actually class, actually A is simply the employee of the partnership firm. What I said, A is simply the employee of this partnership firm, but X one day represent this A person as a partner to this B person. Okay, now X has committed something, that X had said that A is the employee and he is our new partner. Now B started doing business with the A person, and we know the concept of the partnership firm class. What is the concept behind partnership firm? Suppose if X, Y, Z are partner, if X committed any wrongful act, all partners will be liable. If X is, making the profit for the partnership firm, so that profit will be distributed among all. So this is the basic concept of the partnership firm. So in this case also, suppose if A person has done any loss, so in that case all the three partners will also liable. The question is why? That is very simple logic, because of estoppel. So estoppel is a legal term which is also mentioned when you this one by the creation of agency, and in the types of, I think, partnership, I think the types of partners, this word is mentioned. Okay, so I'm just writing here the two terms in which this estoppel is mentioned: the types of partner, in which the partner by holding out, okay, partners by holding out is there, and in the creation of agency we will use, creation of agency, we will use this term estoppel. Okay, so this is the exact meaning of the term estoppel. Okay, is that clear? Now let's do with the question. Question number 1. An evidence, what is this? An evidence in writing as a proof of possession or control of goods, authorizing to receive the goods. What it called? Document of title to goods, bill of exchange, invoice, or any of the above? Yes. What is the exact answer? What is the exact answer? And those candidates who are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel. The evidence, what is evidence? Evidence means the thing which we have to present before the court as a proof. So evidence in writing of the possession and control of the good, authorizing to receive the goods. So here the exact answer for the first one is document of title to goods is the right answer. This is called this statement. So for the first one, A is the right answer. Okay, excellent. Next one. Which of the following act has been repealed by the Right to Information? Repealed. Whether it is Right to Freedom of Information Act 2001, Right to Expression of Information Act 1981, Freedom of Information Act 2002, or Freedom of Speech Act 1976. Which of the following is the right one? Yes, class. And those candidates who are just going to give this exam of LRB in 23 July, first of all, just believe in yourself. Okay, believe in yourself, then you will absolutely crack the exam. And believe that this year is the last opportunity in which you have to crack the JAIIB, and in which you have cracked in November-December session, that is the CAIIB. Okay, so that's why please be positive. Be positive. Just please see this before Right to Information Act. Which act was there before Right to Information? It is not Right to Freedom Act, this one. It is Freedom of Information Act 2002. For second one, C is the right answer. The Right to Information is simply of 2005, and this act has been removed when the Right to Information Act. Okay, so for the second one, C is the right answer. Please correct your options. Okay, C is the right answer. Next. Cyber law in India are contained in which of the following acts? Cyber law. Cyber law, that is related to the computer. So whether it is Cyber Technology Act 2000, Information Technology Act 2000, Information and Cyber Technology Act 2000, and cyber law in India. And those candidates who are of Bihar and Coach Bihar of 19 June, please see the analysis of 11 AM, 2 PM, 4 PM, and 5 PM. And if it is possible from tomorrow, I think tomorrow it may be possible, I will just show you the link in the YouTube session of your marathon in English medium and of your bilingual language. So what is the exact answer of cyber law in India? So cyber law, that is totally related to the Information Technology Act 2000. For the third one, B is the right answer. And please give me the answer in that way. Suppose 3, B is the right answer. Okay, so that I can identify that from which question you are giving the answer. Now, next one. Which of the following class is the objective of your IT Act? IT, that is information technology, the e-commerce, the cyber law, that is related to the IT Act. So to provide the legal infrastructure for the e-commerce, today we all are dependent on the e-commerce. To facilitate the electronic filing of documents of government, to facilitate the amendment to the relevant law, and all of the above. And those candidates who are new in this session, try to attend all class each day. Okay, every class of PPB, AFB and LRB. Do not skip this sessions, because these sessions are, the small session will give you the all concept in a very brief manner. So here for the fourth one, you all are absolutely given the right answer. For the fourth one, D is the right answer. Excellent. Next one. Under the provision of, this is the SURFACE Act, Securitization, Reconstruction of the Financial Asset and Enforcement of Security Interest Act. So this act is called the SURFACE. So under the SURFACE Act class, the transaction of creation of security interest are required to be registered with fifth one, Registrar of Company, Registry or Reserve Bank of India or SEBI. For the fifth question, suppose he is the borrower and this is the bank. Suppose the bank have given the loan to this borrower. Suppose the 5 lakh loan is there. So under this case, the borrower, what borrower will do? Borrower have to deposit some security to the bank. Now it is a bank duty that this security have to be registered with. That is the question. And why this registration is required, class? Tell me the answer. Chandni ma'am, why this registration is required? Why there is a need of registration of that security? Tell me. This is the security. Why there is a need of registration? And who have a authority to register this one? The questions are very simple, class. Okay, you only have to just, I always used to say from the day one, you have to note down the one legal important term of all the questions. If you do that thing now, so you have a collection of 100 plus 100, 200 legal words plus this 10 question or 8 question we are daily doing. So at least you have a so much 1000 plus you can just write down the important terms. Exactly, Roshan sir. Excellent, Vidisha ma'am, Vinay sir, Dinesh sir, Preeti ma'am. Excellent, Roshan sir. For this one, SURSAI, I think you have learned the word SURSAI because SURSAI is also in your LRB syllabus. So it should be registered with the under the company that is called the SURSAI. Okay, so for the fifth one, B is the right answer. Excellent. To prevent the fraud related to the security and no more mortgage with the other. Excellent, class. Keep it up. Next one. Which of the following person can be appointed the director of the company? Okay, director. First option is the person found to be unsound mind. The person is undischarged insolvent. The person convicted by court of any office involving the moral turpitude and sentence in respect thereof to imprisonment, and none of the above. So 3 terms are written here. The first one is unsound mind, insolvent, convicted. These 3 words. Unsound mind means the person who is incapable to, the person who is not able to understand what is right and what is wrong. That is called unsound. Insolvent means no more money. And convicted means that is the judge have order of imprisonment or jail to the person. So what is the exact answer? What is the exact answer? for the sixth one, excellent. You all have given the right answer that none of the person can be appointed as a director, because these things are the disqualification to appoint the director. Okay, so these are the disqualification. Exactly. Okay, excellent. Now, seventh question. Which of the following class that is the correct in the context of the Consumer Protection Act? The first one is, Act has been passed to safeguard the interest of the manufacturer and service provider. The first option is there. Second, a voluntary association of consumer can file a complaint on the behalf of the customer. Third is, for goods purchased for resale, the provision of the act are applicable. All of the above is the correct. Seventh one. Which of the following is correct? And please see the option before giving me the right answer. Which of the following is correct? I'm just highlighting the words which will be help you to give the right answer. The option will help you to find the right answer. Seventh one. And if it is possible, class, just try to give me the reason of your answer. Suppose if you are saying D is the right answer, so at least just write down in a one sentence that why you have opted this D option. See, when you read this Consumer Protection Act, that is basically made for the protection of the consumer. And who is consumer? The person who will consume the things. So the first option is, that is, it is only made for the safeguard of the manufacturer and the service provider. That is not the exact answer, because that is made for the protection of the consumer. So A is absolutely wrong. Second is, the voluntary association of consumer can file the complaint on the behalf of customer. Exactly. The association can also file the complaint, and the customer can also file the complaint if any defect in the goods and services will be found. And the D is, the good purchase is for resale. No. In the definition of this one, the resale is exception of the this one definition. Okay. So that's why C cannot be the right answer. So the right answer is B is the correct statement of the seventh one. Exactly. Okay, excellent. Because when you give me the exact reason, no, the reason will be help you. That's why I'm saying you just give me the reason of every question. Under the Sales of Good Act class, there is an implied condition. What is implied condition? That is by the way of act and conduct, that the good shall correspond with the description. Good shall correspond with the description if sales of good is by sample, sales of good is with the help of third party, sales of good is by description, and none of the above. And every candidate of the Bihar state and the Kuch Bihar, you have to give me the positive result at 23 July. Okay, positive result. And quickly enroll in the CAIIB batch if you are clear the JAIIB exam. So what is the exact answer of 8th one? For the description, what is implied condition? And I have already told you in the Sales of Good Act, the word condition and warranty is very, very much important. So what is the exact answer of this one, 8th one? The exact answer is absolutely right. C is the right answer. Keep it up. Excellent. Tell me your score, and those candidates who just solve these questions after this session or in the recorded way, do not forget to write the review of this session and write your marks also. Okay, so that's all for today's class. So this is the second medium batch, second English medium batch of 25th of July. My subject in this batch will be start from 5th of September. The first class will be start of PPB, second my class, okay, and AFB will be start in the coming session also. Excellent, Anand sir. So those candidates who want to enroll in the second English medium batch, the process is very simple. Okay, click on Google Chrome. Okay, this is the Google Chrome. click on all courses, JIB, CIB and the English medium. If you click on English medium, you can see the batches are there. Only the single batch, that is the 25th of July. So click on 25th of July. In this batch, test series is also available, ebooks are also available, and validity is of 6 months. Your AFB timetable is not written, but PPB and LRB is already written. If I show you the PPB, so from 25th of July you can see the session of your PPB. Okay, this is the exact PPB. Yeah, there's an introduction class. You can see here that 25th of July there is an introduction class of Priyanshu ma'am of AFB and LRB 7 to 8 AM. This is the introduction class on 26th and 27th of this one, and Amanjot ma'am introduction class of PPB 28 and 29. So from 1 August forward, your this PPB subject will be actual start. So do not forget to attend the introduction class also. Okay, so simply you have to use the code Y391. It's the Y391. Click on apply and you can see discount of 77%. So the actual price is 3679. And if you want 1% more discount, so please go through the app. In the app you can easily purchase this batch. Okay, in the app 1% more discount is there. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Good night.